example 2. This one has fractions in it, but it still has this sign issue going on. So we have, it says add, it says 2/5 is our first number. And again, 2/5 ends right there. Nothing's happening to 2/5 other than just 2/5. And then the second piece is minus negative 3/4, and that ends right here. So if I look in front of the 2/5, everything in front of it belongs to 2/5, there's no signs whatsoever making 2/5 a positive number. Again, if this is written in my book, the first thing on my paper is going to be what I'm writing here. And then in front of the 3/4, after the 2/5, I've got one minus sign, I've got two minus signs, which is even, number of minus signs. So I'm going to get plus 3/4. So again, priority 1 on every one of these problems is write it correctly as just a plus or a minus, every single number, no parentheses, no multiple signs. You don't want plus negative or minus negative or anything. You just want something and then a plus or minus sign, then something else. You just want very basic structure here. At this point, I'm looking at the numbers involved in this problem, and they're both the same sign, so I know I'm supposed to add them this time. But I can't add fractions without a common denominator. So now, there's an extra rule on this one because we have fractions involved. Common denominator of 5 and 4 is 20, so I'm going to do times 4 to get 20 here. I have to do times 4 on top. And 4 times 5 is 20 on that one, so I can do 3 times 5 on top. So the first fraction, the top 4 times 2 is 8, the bottom 4 times 5 is 20. The second fraction, top 3 times 5 is 15, the bottom 4 times 5 is 20. 8/20ths is equivalent to 2/5, 15/20ths is equivalent to 3/4. I simply made them have the same denominator, so now addition is legal. Again, I've decided to add because the signs are the same. 8 plus 15 is 23. The common denominator is 20. That's what it goes over. The bigger number is 15/20ths. That's the other problem with fractions. You can't tell what's bigger until you get the same denominator. Once the denominators are the same, the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. So that's positive, that's positive. So 23/20ths is the right answer. Please leave all improper fractions as improper fractions. Do not rewrite it as 1 3/20ths. Don't give me some decimal 1.15. I want 23/20ths if that's the answer. Give me improper fraction answers. They're the best. I gave you the 2 reasons yesterday, I think. Because they're better, and I think because they're better. I think actually one of the reasons that's the first place you get to. The second is because they're better. That's why they're better. So anyway, improper fractions are the best.